Oh man, you too. Oh fuck.
What happened? Dang, you pissed the stuff. Ooh, you're bleeding internally.
I know. Rico, kiss.
Ah, Stanley. Mental.
This is dangerous.
Stanley.
I'm gonna cry.
It hurts.
It hurts really bad.
I love that. Is it bleeding?
Cut the video off.
It's bleeding.
No, it ain't.
Oh. What's that? Dry the blood? You gonna cut the video?
No, I'm just kidding.
Salutations.
Oop.
Give me a piece of paper so I can fan like this.
See that hurt? No.
No. Ah! He bit.
The blood.
Yo, he bit my elbow.
Ouch! No, I'm just kidding. It don't hurt.
You're lying. This shit didn't hurt.
Alright guys, so I'm here with, this is Rico, this is Schmidt, and y'all already know the boy Stanley, the tame emu. Dude, stop it. What is wrong with you? So, we're in here in our emu enclosure, and we're just gonna talk about them. They're really cool birds, and we know not many people have heard much about them or seen them. So, like, look at this. This is just like a week of work, and this guy is letting us rub him. His old owners didn't let them rub him at all, so that's really cool. But, alrighty man, let's get into the video. So, if you don't know, emu are large, flightless birds. Oh my God, look at all three of them. I like to call these guys raptors, because they literally have claws. They're so dangerous. And man, in a mob, that's what you call like a pack of emu. A mob. They look so cool. Like the three of them together. Imagine them just coming at you, even though they're only 4 months old. Oh, Stanley, you are a crazy boy. Alright guys, so fact number one. Emus have little wings. And, oh, these guys' wings are huge. Their wings are pointless. What are we gonna say?
Stanley's just
Yeah, Stanley's just little. What's up, dude? So these guys have little wings, and they're pretty cool. They don't really do much, but yeah, you just looking at them, you wouldn't think emus have wings.
They have claws at the end of their wings.
Oh man, I was gonna say that. You fucking me up. Oh man, well, like she said, one of the reasons like I call emus raptors is because they have claws on the end of their wings, and the claws are really, really cool.
They're kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie, but
What's up, Sam? The wings are ugly or the claws?
the claws.
The claws.
The wings are cute, but the claws.
They don't really use the claws, but I have heard that the emus have retractable claws, so I'm not sure how true that is.
The wing?
Yeah, the one on the wings. Somebody told me on Facebook they have retractable claws.
What the hell? How would they use their wings?
The wing don't retract, the claw retract.
But I'm saying,
They don't use the wing.
or they just put the claw and they. Ow! Man,
They don't use the claw either. They both pointless.
Oh,
I know.
but they can retract.
Oh wow.
But they can retract it.
Supposedly.
Okay.
I don't know how true that is.
You gonna have to see them, baby.
Alrighty. Come here, Stanley. Come here, boy. Come on.
Hi, Rico Suave.
They want to beat you up.
I know. That's okay.
Come on, boy.
He's really rubbing though. That's good.
Come here. Alright, so the next fact about emus, they have really, really sharp claws. The claws on their feet can cause serious damage. Their feet get huge. Like these guys, this is Rico right here. His feet are huge. But even Stanley, like, his feet are way bigger than the turkeys, and he's 2 months younger than the turkey, so his feet are really huge. They all have really, really sharp claws, and these claws can cause really serious damage. Good boy. Stanley loves to be rubbed. Ooh, wow,
The other birds not so much. But they
Yeah. They're gonna get there.
What is it?
We got a cat that just roams around. We had a bunch of them. They must have left.
We put no fear in him.
if the emu's claws get into like the soft part of your body, it could cut you open. And if it gets to the soft part of your stomach, it could cut your stomach open and like rip your guts out.
Has anybody ever been killed by an emu?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Crazy.
I know somebody was killed by a cassowary. They like really, really big birds. The emu's brain is the size of their eyes.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's crazy. Oh, it's so cute, bro. We needed to get the other emu like this, cause Stanley just sits down if you start rubbing him.
The other one's run away.
Yeah.
Full speed.
So due to how big they are, emu don't have many predators. They're really, really big and really, really fast. So not many things can catch them, and even if they do, they'll probably get kicked to death. We have all 3 males, and the females lay the eggs, and the males build the nest and sit on the eggs for around 8 weeks. So that's pretty cool. The males take care of the chicks. I mean the eggs. Oh, he's going at it. We should get you and get ouch. He's like rub me.
What was it?
Oh, do you want to get some of that food?
Oh no. I just wanted
Emu jump really, really high. That's why they need a tall fence. It's recommended that you get at least a 5-foot fence. And these dudes got out. But the fence was like 3 feet over there. So,
and they got out on our property.
yeah, they got
On
out.
all their enclosed.
Yeah. Definitely should have like a perimeter fence around whatever you got them in just in case. Because if they get out and they're not tamed, they will not come back. Ouch! Man, you are hurting me.
Yeah.
What's up?
And they're fast. Even when they're little, they're
Oh.
fast.
Loud ass truck. Yeah, even when they're small, these guys are super, super fast. Like, it's really no catching the emu if they get out. So that's why it's good to work with them if you have them as pets, and so that they could come when called, like Stanley. Man, because I couldn't even imagine trying to chase one of these birds if they got out. It would be ridiculous.
Too much.
Emu are said to be strong swimmers. We've never seen Stanley or these other guys swim. We don't have a pool, but they do have a little pool. And Stanley used to have a mud pond, and he loved rolling around in the mud. That was hilarious.
Mm-hmm.